Welcome back to our channel Woodworking Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We're going to showcase the top 8 new woodpecker tools that will revolutionize your woodworking game. From precision to efficiency, these tools are going to take your craftsmanship to new heights. Woodpecker's Angle Angle is a patented angle measuring tool that is designed to provide accurate and precise measurements for a variety of woodworking applications. The ENGLE angle is used to measure angles in 2 dimensions, making it perfect for use in a wide range of woodworking projects. The tool features a durable aluminum construction and is designed to be compact and easy to use. It has a locking mechanism that ensures that the angle remains secure while measurements are being taken, preventing any errors or inaccuracies. One of the unique features of the Angle Angle is its ability to measure angles in both directions, allowing woodworkers to easily determine angles that are difficult to measure using traditional tools. The tool also has an easy-to-read scale that allows for quick and accurate readings. The ENGLE angle is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of woodworking applications, including the creation of joinery, measuring and cutting angles for furniture pieces, and more. Its precision and accuracy make it an essential tool for any woodworker who wants to ensure that their projects are of the highest quality. Woodpecker's 6-in-1 shop and pocket gauges for 2023 are a versatile set of measuring tools that are designed to provide accurate and reliable measurements for a variety of woodworking applications. These gauges are compact and portable, making them ideal for use in both the shop and on the go. The set includes 6 gauges, each with a different function, including a center finder, a depth gauge, a height gauge, a scribe, a square, and a protractor. These gauges are made from high-quality materials, including precision-machined aluminum and stainless steel, ensuring their durability and longevity. The center finder gauge is designed to help woodworkers locate the center of a workpiece quickly and accurately. The depth gauge measures the depth of holes or grooves, while the height gauge is used to determine the height of a workpiece or component. The scribe gauge is ideal for marking or scoring lines on a workpiece, while the square gauge is used to ensure that corners are perfectly square. Finally, the protractor gauge is used to measure angles and ensure that they are precise and accurate. Woodpecker's Ultra Shear router bits with a 1/4 diameter, spiral design, and 2 flute configuration are high-quality cutting tools designed to provide precision and efficiency for woodworking applications. These router bits are made with solid carbide construction, which ensures their durability and longevity. The spiral design of these router bits allows for efficient and smooth chip removal, which reduces heat buildup and extends the life of the tool. The 2 flute configuration is ideal for cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and composites, providing a smooth and clean cut every time. The Ultra Shear router bits are designed with an extra sharp cutting edge that provides a clean and precise cut with minimal tear out. This makes them ideal for use in a variety of woodworking applications, including edge forming, grooving, and trimming. These router bits are also equipped with a unique double bearing system that provides additional support to the cutting edge, ensuring stability and accuracy during use. The bearings are also shielded, which prevents dust and debris from entering and damaging the tool. Woodpecker's Pocket Compass for 2023 is a compact and versatile tool designed for precise measurements and layout work in woodworking projects. This pocket-sized compass is an essential tool for woodworkers, allowing them to accurately mark and replicate circles, arcs, and curves. The Pocket Compass features a durable construction made with high-quality materials to ensure its longevity and reliability. It has a locking mechanism that securely holds the desired radius or angle in place, preventing any accidental changes during use. With the Woodpecker's Pocket Compass, woodworkers can easily set the desired radius and create circles or arcs of consistent size. This is particularly useful for tasks such as creating decorative inlays, designing round tabletops, or adding curved elements to furniture pieces. Additionally, this compass allows for precise layout work by providing accurate measurements and marking points along curves or arcs. Woodworkers can easily transfer measurements from one part of their project to another, ensuring symmetry and precision. The compact size of the Pocket Compass makes it highly portable and convenient to carry in a pocket or toolbox. It's always at hand whenever you need to make accurate measurements or create curved designs on the go. Woodpecker's Steady Curve Band Saw Template Guide is an innovative tool designed to enhance the accuracy and precision of your band saw cuts. This template guide is specifically crafted to help woodworkers achieve smooth and consistent curved cuts with ease. The Steady Curve Band Saw Template Guide is made from durable and high-quality materials, ensuring its longevity and reliability. It is designed to be compatible with most standard band saws, making it accessible to a wide range of woodworkers. This tool features a unique curved guide design that allows for controlled and guided movement of the workpiece along the bandsaw's blade. It acts as a support and stabilizer, minimizing blade drift and preventing the workpiece from veering off course during cutting. The template guide also includes a set of interchangeable templates that can be easily attached to the guide, enabling you to create various curved shapes and profiles. These templates are pre-cut with precise curves, eliminating the need for manual layout work and saving you valuable time and effort. Using the Steady Curve Bandsaw Template Guide is simple and straightforward. Just attach the guide to your bandsaw's table, select the appropriate template, and secure it in place. Then, guide your workpiece along the curve of the template, allowing the tool to provide stability and accuracy as you make your cuts. Woodpecker's Autoscale Miter Sled is an advanced and versatile tool designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency when making mitered cuts on a table saw. This innovative sled is specifically crafted to simplify the process of achieving precise and repeatable angles in woodworking projects. The Autoscale Miter Sled from Woodpeckers is constructed with durable materials, ensuring its longevity and reliability. It features a large sliding platform with built-in scales and an adjustable fence that enables woodworkers to make precise angle adjustments with ease. One of the key features of this sled is its auto-scaling capability. The integrated scales on the sled automatically adjust the angle as you move the platform, eliminating the need for manual calculations or trial-and-error adjustments. This feature allows for quick and accurate setup, saving valuable time and effort. The sled also includes an adjustable fence that provides additional support and stability during the cutting process. The fence can be easily adjusted to accommodate different stock sizes, ensuring that your workpiece remains securely in place as you make your mitered cuts. With the Autoscale Miter Sled, woodworkers can achieve consistent and accurate miter cuts for various woodworking applications, including picture frames, boxes, and trim work. The sled's design minimizes the risk of error and ensures that each cut is precise, resulting in seamless and professional-looking joints. Using the Woodpecker's Autoscale Miter Sled is straightforward. Simply set the desired angle on the sled scale, position your workpiece against the fence, and smoothly slide the platform through the table saw. The sled's auto-scaling feature takes care of the angle adjustment, allowing you to focus on the cutting process itself. Woodpecker's Spline Jig is a versatile and reliable tool designed to simplify the process of creating strong and visually appealing spline joints in woodworking projects. This innovative jig allows woodworkers to add strength, reinforcement, and decorative elements to their joinery with ease. The spline jig from Woodpeckers is crafted with durable materials, ensuring its longevity and reliability. It features an adjustable design that allows for precise positioning and secure clamping of your workpiece, providing stability and accuracy during the cutting process. Using the spline jig is straightforward. First, secure your workpiece in the jig using the adjustable clamps or hold-downs, ensuring that it is firmly in place. Then, use a router or a table saw equipped with a dado blade to cut slots or grooves along the joint line of your workpiece. The spline jig includes guides and stops that enable woodworkers to position and align the cutting tool accurately, ensuring consistent and precise cuts every time. This helps create clean and perfectly fitting slots for the splines. Once the slots are cut, you can insert splines made from contrasting wood species or decorative materials into the slots. The splines not only add visual interest to your projects but also strengthen the joint, providing additional reinforcement and durability. Woodworkers can unleash their creativity by experimenting with different spline widths, shapes, and materials, allowing for endless design possibilities. The spline jig empowers you to create stunning and customized spline joints that elevate the aesthetics and structural integrity of your woodworking projects. Woodpecker's Sanding Stand Tilting Sander Base is an innovative and versatile tool designed to enhance the efficiency and precision of your sanding projects. This tilting sander base allows woodworkers to tilt their sanders up to 45 degrees, making it easier to sand edges, contours, and uneven surfaces. The Sanding Stand Tilting Sander Base from Woodpeckers is constructed with durable materials, ensuring its longevity and reliability. It features a large and stable platform that accommodates most belt sanders and allows for easy and secure attachment. The base of the Sanding Stand Tilting Sander Base includes an adjustable tilt mechanism that enables woodworkers to adjust the angle of their sanders, providing more flexibility and versatility when sanding different types of surfaces. This feature helps achieve consistent and precise results, minimizing the risk of oversanding or uneven sanding. Using the Sanding Stand Tilting Sander Base is straightforward. Simply attach your belt sander to the platform and adjust the tilt angle using the easy-to-use mechanism. Once your sander is secured in place, you can start sanding your workpiece at the desired angle, taking advantage of the tilting feature to sand hard-to-reach areas and contours with ease. The Sanding Stand Tilting Sander Base is ideal for a wide range of sanding applications, including sanding bevels, edges, and curved surfaces. Its tilting feature simplifies the sanding process, saves time and effort, and ensures that your sanding results are consistent and accurate.